Hi everyone. In a previous video, we went over how to create your own private confidential asset token on top of Zano, and we promised that we would send you some of them and then show you how to buy them back on the DEX. So this is the next step in that. We can see we have 3 people that commented with their Zano Alias in order to get the test token. So the first person is Red132FR, says, okay, let's try, and he gave us his alias is @ZanoMax, right? So we'll copy that to our clipboard, and we'll go over to our Zano wallet here. And for the address, we'll put in @ZanoMax, right? And it automatically knows what his Zano address is. So you can see it right there. And so the amount that we need to send him, we're going to send ZanoList test tokens, we promised. So we'll send him one of those, and we can have a comment like this is from the YouTube or whatever I want to remind me what this is about. And in additional details too, we can also hide my wallet address so he doesn't know who it's coming from. But we want him to know that it's coming from us over at ZanoList.com. So I won't hide it. But if you, for whatever reason, didn't want someone to know that you were paying them, you can just check this box just like that, and then they won't know where the money's coming from. So anyhow, super simple. We'll click send. And am I sure I want to send one ZanoList test token to ZanoMax, right? And we'll hit send. And there we go, transaction sent. And on the blockchain, if we go back to the Block Explorer, if we look in the memory pool here, and maybe I'll hit refresh, there it is. So now you can see in the transaction pool, that's my transaction I just sent. But anybody that's looking at it, they don't know from what address to what address. They don't know if it was for Zano, if it was for ZanoList test token. They don't know if it was for something else. All they can see is the hash of the transaction and a bunch of like inputs and a bunch of outputs, but they have no idea which one is which and what's going on there. They don't know which token. They don't know anything at all. So it's like really private. And in a moment, when the next block is found, it'll be included in the next block. So the most recent block was just a moment ago, but in another moment here, this one will be in the next block. Okay, a few more blocks have gone by, and now we can send the rest of the tokens out to these people. So the next guy here is Curb Shifter, and we'll copy him, and we'll hit send. And we'll choose ZanoList test token, going to Curb Shifter. There it is, send. All right, and now it's time to send the remaining token to Zano House, however you say that. So again, very simple. Hit send. Then House, we will send one token of the ZanoList test token. So this person hit send. Very simple, from my address to their address. Boom, sent, and we'll go on over to let everybody know that we've sent them all their tokens by liking their comments there. And in the next video, I will show all of you how to add a custom token to your wallet there so that all these people can see their ZanoList test token. So subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you all.